Come on, darling, let's play the Feud. I'm Richard Dawson, inviting you to watch Dysfunctional Family Feud every weeknight at 6:30 right here on Channel 87, KLME, Lane Television for the Central Highlands and the Mid-Eastern Valley. It's a half hour of non-stop, codependent fun as two fucked-up families reveal all of their dirty laundry and shameful secrets on national television with a grand prize of a week-long stay for the entire winning family at a 12-step clinic in the Ozarks. You'll beat yourself and your kids silly watching the crazy antics on Dysfunctional Family Feud. So pull up a 12-pack, gather the stepkids around the television, and join me, Richard Dawson, for all the fun on America's favorite television Rorschach test, Dysfunctional Family Feud.
Watch it or go to your room without dinner. Dysfunctional Family Feud, weeknights at 7 o'clock on Channel 89, KLME, Lane Television for the Gulf Coast and Central Plains.
He was just another alien living the American dream in California until voters passed Proposition 187. Now he's an illegal alien life form. Alf, behind bars on the next Inside Affair. Tonight on the Conspiracy Channel, JFK. If you don't get the Conspiracy Channel, someone's gotten to your cable company. You know her as the loving matriarch of TV's favorite family. But what happens when Wessonality goes bad? Find out tonight at 7 o'clock when KLME Showcase Theater presents A Very Brady Bloodbath.
Showcase Theater, tonight at 7:30, only on KLME, Channel 76, Lane Television for the Greater Basin and outlying areas.